all my cooks.
What's poppin'? What's good, ladies and gentlemen? So, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing another slime review. So I have this slime purse, and you can also wear it around like this. So guys, let's get into this video. So guys, I'm about to open it right now. So you have to twist it to open it. And then it has this pink top, and then you just have to take it off.
What are you doing?
If you tell me something, you better show up.
Look.
You see the bird?
Yeah.
Stop. Don't touch it.
So, we're popping. It's good. What is?
So the first slime we have.
I want some too.
No.
Why?
I'm slimy.
Careful.
So the first slime is this pink slime,
Yeah.
and it has
This
glitter in it. Holographic glitter.
How well it is.
And I got this from Target.
Not to be.
I got it
Sure.
from Target.
Watch out. So guys, I got this from
Stop dragging that.
Alright. So guys, I got this from Target.
I got
And
this
it came with clear slime.
right.
It was a whole bunch, and it's so pretty. But
You
stop.
don't come
Stop.
back, I'm gonna see the baby.
I'm not going outside.
So guys, it's clicky also. Stop kicking the table.
Take your leg down.
How do you hold here? Okay, for Jazzy.
What?
Okay, for Jazzy.
What?
Yeah.
Okay, for
Leg
baby.
I gave you now.
Be quiet.
Oh, go, baby.
Be quiet.
Yeah.
So guys, here's the next slime. It is a purple slime. Well, it's supposed to be purple, but it's kind of blue, purple.
So purple.
And it has lavender scent.
And that's it. So,
And it is so clicky.
Yeah.
And it is kind of foggy because
Mama,
I added
stop.
some scent. And it is so pokey. So guys, let's move on to the next slime. So this one has no glitter in it, except it has a little bit because I accidentally added a little bit of glitter. When
That's a doggy.
yeah, it's like cocoa.
Where's Coco?
Cocoa at home, right?
At my house. Mama.
Excuse me. You really about to sit in that dirty chair?
Yeah.
Sit right here. Sit right here, Skylar. Sit over some more. Why? Because I don't. You barely had subscribers. I don't even have no subscribers. So guys, let's move on to the next slime. It is a pink slime, and it has the glitter is called unicorn tears.
So, I got that and told you, Mama, buy boyfriend.
Why are they playing Fortnite?
And Fortnite. So,
I said, no, I don't. That's right. You get 50 cents.
Be quiet.
I know big
Be
bucks, 50 cents.
quiet. Shut up.
Because all my 50
Are you
cents go on my
So guys,
kids.
let's move on to the next slime. Okay. I want to see this.
no. You can't put this.
Oh, no. Like I do that, you don't need it.
Don't touch anything, because all of them are sticky now. Nuh-uh. So guys, it is some
Where y'all going
iridescent
to
glitter.
Oh, I don't wanna.
Why you playing all that slime stuff?
So,
Well, I don't know.
I
if
got
I'm
my
going.
boyfriend
You don't know if you're going.
on sign.
Stop, Skylar.
And
Tie that girl's shoes up, kids. Okay.
Mama, can you tie her shoe? I don't know how. I forgot how to tie.
Come here, Skylar.
So dumb.
I should make you tie them, but I told you not to take them loose. Just put your foot up here.
I did not forget. I just didn't want to.
I'm still on the phone. I'm just tying her shoe up.
Hold on.
get on the Xbox.
I mean, on the phone.
Fortnite.
So this slime is a little sticky. It is This is how the slime originally looked, but without the glitter. And except it got sticky.
Uh-huh.
Because I'm trying to knead it. Because I don't have any contact
I
solution.
said, what you
That's
mean
the
you can't
only
get nothing out of it? I said,
activator that I use, so I don't use any
I was saying, what you
detergent
mean
or
you can't get
borax.
nothing? Did I give you anything?
Put some bees in my face.
And then she would go give him some. I'm sure she would go with him. She
It's
ain't
a
that
bee in your
stupid.
face.
Yeah. That's what I'm saying. She ain't gonna give him no card to go.
And this one is the same thing right here.
No,
Mm-hmm.
it's not my. It's not one.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
This one has.
This me.
Yeah, they came over here. They're making me work for just the baby shower day. I wanted to sit down.
So sit back.
Yeah, but if he picked up some meatballs, how's that working?
Oh.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Hey, so
He said,
Hey.
he said
Here's the
she
story.
already made you
Lovely
dress
lady.
up.
Was raising 3 kids on her
All some
own.
Jesus people.
All in a row.
Everybody dressed up.
All of them
Is
have
that what
super
you said?
swag. Mommy, shut up. Like their mother. Mommy,
Yeah,
shut
that's
up.
what you said.
What's wrong with you?
So guys, I'll be right back. Mama, make sure she don't touch the camera because she will
Yeah.
unrecord it.
He looked okay, but he said she made him dress up. He didn't want to wear them clothes. I was wondering what kind he wanted on there. Oh! Well, keep bringing all that stuff out here. Tell them keep bringing all that slime out on this table. No, she's falling out of the Mackenzie getting that. Y'all a little bit touch this slime.
So guys, I'm going to add some fragrance
Don't touch.
Scarlett, if you don't
to
be
the
quiet.
slime.
You want to beat her hand?
So here it is.
She's just looking at it.
Violent vibes. So I'm going to add some scent to it.
Mary, why you ain't got a shirt on out here?
I'm just going to rub that in. And one thing that I like about it
Text Nikki.
is that it isn't strong.
No.
Mama.
Helena had text, not Rita. Text Tosh. She wasn't no bad size. It was kind of short.
So top.
Yeah,
I know.
So,
Tasha, you mean Nikki?
Tops
That's
is
so much
Mickey
thing.
Gray.
you don't really play with us. Oh, yeah, that's okay. Yeah, I know.
No.
Mhm.
And
Class.
Yeah, I know.
I'm going to color. I'm going to mix both of these two together inside of it.
Yeah.
You shot. Not even near
Yeah, you ain't got no little one to bring here and shot. No, that's their own kids. Yeah.
You shot.
Why you keep on hitting her?
Oh, okay.
I'm going to make it pink and blue. No, I'm going to make a blue slime because I only made pink, purple.
Yeah, like I said, that truck,
And yeah.
kids I think will be here by 3. And that truck coming at 4.
So guys, it came with this little
3 and
scooper.
3:30 they come. So then the truck coming from 4 to 5:30. They can go in there play for a while before it leave.
And we
We're
going
gonna pick piece up down Costco. And,
Pepper.
I gotta get the cupcakes Saturday morning. Get some candy bags probably that night before. So man can pull his truck on down in this yard. We can play for that little bit of time and leave.
No, we got games too. She said
What?
we got potato sack and all that. She said before the game truck get here.
Oh, so Rita doing that. Well, that's what she doing. The man ain't doing no potato sack and stuff with you.
I know that.
Kids say they got potato sack and something else she said Rita said they're going to do. But maybe Rita is. I'm just going to be looking at all of them.
So guys, I'm gonna add the glitter in
So just play
and some more
for
snacks.
Guys,
the
you
truck
be
get here.
quiet.
Go down in this yard.
Okay.
Gina still had her surgery? Gina had her surgery? Why'd you keep putting it off? Oh, she's doing Making it worse then.
I
Okay.
like this color very, very much. Stop copying off me.
When you get through none of that glitter, but not be up there and then any cracks. See right there? That stuff hard to clean up.
No, you use tape.
Oh, blue. Oh, it's
So
pretty.
here is unicorn tears.
Yeah, rub it. Who cares?
Now, here is Daydream, the holographic one. These all make the slime crunchy. So let's go ahead and mix that in.
So here's some.
Where is it?
Here's it.
Almost.
My sister said, "Drink my pee." She said
What you
no.
say?
My sister said, "Drink my pee." She said no.
What's wrong with you? Don't say it again. Check your pee, you say after you get home. I'm saying some stupid stuff.
I think that this is a very good thing to go together because it looks like
What's
it's
that noise?
airplane. I think it looks like it's kind of in La La
It's
Land.
lovely. I like airplane.
Good shit.
Okay guys, so the blue one is called Electric Blue. And then, see, as you guys can see, hold up, now you can see it
I
right.
don't see that.
And then the pink one is
That.
Pinky Promise.
Okay.
And guys, I'm going to show you something.
Show me.
So I'm going to put that slime right there because that slime is going to be my example. Sit down looking stupid. Remember, that's not even a slime. So then,
Okay.
stop.
I need some stuff.
So guys, I have this slime, and then this is the heart.
Oh.
And you could put the slime in here.